nibavuga ireme ry'uburezi ujye uhita wumva Happy Kids School. Happy Kids School ifite abarimu b'inzobere batanga amasomo mu cyiciro cy'amashuri y'incuke ariyo nursery school cyangwa se gardienne, tutibagiwe na creche ndetse n'amashuri abanza ariyo primary school. Mu cyiciro cy'amashuri y'incuke ariyo nursery school cyangwa se gardienne, tubafitiye amashuri yose uko ariyo baby class, middle class na top class. Mu mashuri abanza cyangwa se primary school tubafitiye kuva mu mwaka wa mbere kugeza mu mwaka wa gatandatu. Nuzana umwana wawe muri Happy Kids School uza muzanye amaboko meza y'abarezi b'inzobere muri uyu mwuga. Iri shuri riherereye hari Gahanga iruhande rw'isoko ukase ku muhanda werekeza kuri cricket neza imbere y'urusengero rwa ADP. Kushaka ibindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira: 0788 30 66 83 cyangwa 0788 45 96 32. Zana umwana wawe ku ishuri ry'icyerekezo cy'ikinyagihumbi.
We are going to study another topic which is called national symbols. Which is called national symbols. Remember that we are answering to the questions which are in our holiday package. Look at the question number 30 in social studies in holiday package P3. Here there is a question that we are going to answer. It says, the question is this one. Name the biggest color in the national flag. We are going to answer to this question while studying the national symbols. Yes, what are the national symbols? The national symbols is what? The national symbol is what? Yes, Teta, the national symbol is the symbol which represents a country. Yes, the national symbols of our country, these are the symbols which represent our country. Wherever they are, they say, these are the symbols of Rwanda. Yes, let us see them. We are going to study the national symbols. What is a national symbol? A national symbol, this is a symbol which represents a country. These are the national symbol of a country. Yes, tell me the national symbol of Rwanda that you know. Yes, Teta. Yes, good. The national anthem. Thank you. The national anthem. What is the name of our national anthem? Yes, Teta, our national anthem is called Rwanda Nziza. Yes, our national anthem is called Rwanda Nziza. Yes. Rwanda Nziza in English, or we say beautiful Rwanda. Yes, the second one, who can tell me the second national symbol of our country? The national symbol of our country, the second one is, yes, Asha, the second one is called National Coat of Arms. Yes, National Coat of Arms. Yes. Yes, National Coat Yes, thank you. In blue color there is the sun. Thank you, Asha. In blue color there is what? There is the sun. How many rays does this sun has? Yes, in blue color. In blue color there is the sun. How many rays does this sun which is found in blue color has? Yes, says Zerano, it has 24 rays. Thank you. This sun which is found in blue color, it has 24 rays. Repeat. Yes, 24 rays. Yes, Asha repeat. 24 rays. Andrea repeat. 24 rays. Yes, Umutan repeat. 24 rays. Yes, Sabrina repeat. 24 rays. The sun which is found in the blue color of our national flag has 24 rays. It has 24 rays. Thank you. Let us see the meaning of these rays. Let us see the meaning of these colors. We have blue color, we have yellow, and we have green colors. Which is bigger than others? Which is bigger than other colors? Thank you. Blue color is bigger than other colors. Thank you, Asha. These colors, they have the meaning. They didn't take them as they want. They have chosen them because they have their meaning. The blue color stands for peace and happiness. Do you notice the happiness? When you are smiling, we are in peace, we are in security, we have peace and happiness. This blue color stands for the peace that we have in Rwanda and the happiness. We are happy in Rwanda. It means they have chosen the blue color to represent or to stand in the place of peace and happiness. The second color is yellow color. Yes, this yellow color stands for what? Yes, Andrea. Yellow color stands for development of the country. What is development? Development is improving from low level of living up to the high level or improved level of living, or from poverty to richness. This is the meaning of what the yellow color stands for. Yes. The green color. The green color stands for the richness of natural resources. What is richness? Richness means what? Richness can come from the things that we plant in the garden and we harvest them, we put them at home, and then we get what is called richness. We can sell them and get money, yes, or we can eat them. For example, if we have, coffee, if you have sugar cane in our garden, or if you have beans, when we harvest, we keep them home. After keeping them home, we can eat or we can sell them. In that time, we get money. In that time, we get food. We can get the school fees or whatever we want. This is why they have chosen the green, which stands for richness and natural resources of our country. These are the meaning of these three colors. Remember that we are reminding you about the questions which are in the holiday package. Yes.